So next one is Elif statement in Python. So whenever we want to write multiple if conditions, so instead of writing multiple if conditions, you can also prefer writing the Elif statement. Okay. So whenever you have more conditions, we can prefer this Elif statement, and this is multi-way selection statement. Out of multiple blocks, only one block will be executed. Okay. So if you look at this Elif statement syntax, if condition 1, if this condition 1 is true, then the code which is written inside this block will be executed. If suppose this condition 1 is false, then control is transferred to check condition number 2. If suppose this condition 2 is evaluated to true, then code written inside this block will be executed. Okay. Suppose if this condition is also evaluated to false, then control is transferred to the else block, and here inside this else block we are not going to write any condition, so directly control is going to transfer inside the else block and execute these statements inside else block. Okay, so this is the structure of the Elif statement, and this is the code whichever is followed by this entire construct. Okay, now let's see this example. Score is equal to 88. We are taking initial value of score is equal to 88, and look at this condition. 88 greater than or equal to 90 condition will become false. So it will go to the next block and checks this condition. Score is greater than or equal to 80. 88 is greater than or equal to 80. Condition is evaluated to true. Immediately associated block of statements will be executed, and this B value will be displayed. Okay, directly B will be displayed here, isn't it? Okay, like this. Thank you.